Imagine starting with no experience, no network, and no roadmap. How would you land a high paying BI analyst job in 2025? Here's exactly how would I do it. If you're serious about breaking into BI, I have got a foolproof step by step plan that not only teaches you the skills but also positions you as an ideal candidate the recruiters want. So let's get started. Every BI analyst or a data analyst start with a solid understanding of data tools. Why? Because 80% of the job involves collecting, cleaning, and visualizing the data. Tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau are the bread and butter of the job. If you don't know these, you are missing the basic demands the recruiters are looking for. I would start with SQL to query and analyze database, Excel for data manipulation, and Power BI for building insightful dashboards. And these are the languages of BI analyst or a data analyst, and mastering them is non-negotiable. Knowing these tools make you job ready for entry level positions and also gives you the technical foundation to tackle real world business problems. Step 2, building real world projects. A resume full of skills is one thing, but having a portfolio showcasing real world projects is an absolute game changer. These projects shows recruiters that you are capable of solving business problems than just accumulating certifications. I would create a sales performance dashboard or a customer churn analysis dashboard using publicly available data from Maven Analytics or datasets publicly available on GitHub. These datasets most likely mirrors the real data sets available in actual job. Building those portfolios help the recruiters know that you are capable of building out analytical solutions for the real world business problems. Now, what would you do after building those real world projects or portfolio, right? So the next step is definitely is to talk about it or build attention onto your projects. When you talk about these projects on LinkedIn or on GitHub, you basically attract the attention of hiring managers or recruiters to showcase that you have the real talent and the practical experience which can help you stand out from the sea of resumes that are out there. One pro tip I've seen people accomplish getting a job through portfolio is that they write a simple case study for each of their projects and talk about it, which helps the recruiters or a non technical person to understand the project even more better. Step 3 is to network like a pro. Back in the days, people just got jobs just by applying on job boards or LinkedIn. But right now, it's no brainer that networking is the way forward. 70% of the jobs are not posted online and they are getting filled through referrals or internal movement or just by people knowing who. That's why it's very important build real relationships through LinkedIn or attending meetups or conferences. But networking as a whole is not just about asking for a job. Networking is basically understanding what the other people's journey look like and what can you learn from their journey. Start off by setting up a 15-minute chat with people that you like to talk to and understand their journey and learn the insider news or industry experience and what's happening within the industry that you're looking forward to get a job. Step 4 is to focus on certifications. This may be a bit of a confusion because just before a couple of steps ahead, I have mentioned certification is not the only thing the recruiters look for, but they definitely validate your skills and make you more marketable in your resume. Let me share a personal story here. Last year, when I was looking for a job in a new country and when I was attending my first career fair, I was talking to a recruiter in a big tech company. And the first question she asked me, do you have a Cisco certification or a Microsoft certification, which I did not own back then. That's when I realized that even if you have your experience, certification just gives you that boost on your resume to showcase that yes, I do know what I'm doing. So start off with Google Data Analytics certificates to build your analytical foundation. Then move to Power BI or Tableau courses that are available on their respective platforms. Microsoft hosts a couple of free trainings and courses on their website. So do look out for those courses. Step 5 is to prepare for your interview. Landing an interview is one thing, but acing an interview is another. Interviewers basically want to know if you can solve the problem and if you are the best communicator they can have in their team. The method that I'm going to mention is no brainer here. It's again a star method. Star method helps you to structure your answer and highlight the impact of your project. So let me start off with an example. Let's say for example I have built a sales performance dashboard. I would start off by saying I analyzed sales trend, built a Power BI dashboard which revealed a 10% drop in revenue, helping the business focus on customer retention strategies. This way, recruiters or the hiring managers understand the gist of what you're trying to convey and what the project impact was. And finally, do not forget to take in a lot of mock interviews. Practicing the interview will only make you more confident. Knowing your projects inside out and clearly explaining them can be the only reason of you landing the job or missing out on the job. The final step, which is really very important, is to start today. Breaking into data and BI analytics is 100% achievable in 2025 if you follow these plans. It's all about demonstrating your skills, building connections, and showcasing that you can deliver value from day one. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and catch you for the next video. Bye.